Assalamu alaikum. I'm Alia Ijaz 18 added 1851 from BSc Honors Horticulture 5th semester. Today I'm here to tell you about the planting, growing and harvesting of cucumbers. So let's start. First of all, I'll tell you about that. Basically, an easy care vegetable that loves sun and water, cucumbers grow quickly as long as they receive consistent watering and warmth. Don't let cucumbers get too large before you pick or they will taste bitter. See how to grow and harvest cucumbers. So basically there are two types of cucumber plants, winning cucumbers and bush cucumbers. Winning cucumbers grow on vigorous vines shaded by large leaves. Bush cucumbers, however, are nicely suited to containers and small gardens. Make successive plantings every 2 weeks for continued harvests. So if you are interested in making pickles, we recommended several prolific varieties below. They are bred especially for pickling, such as your heirloom Boston pickling. For crispy pickles, be sure to appear them within a few hours of harvesting. So planting. The question raised here is when to plant cucumbers. Cucumber plants should be seeded or transplanted outside in the ground no earlier than 2 weeks after the last frost date. Cucumbers are extremely susceptible to frost and cold damage. The soil must be at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit for germination. Do not plant outside too soon. The second important point here is to get a head start. Sow cucumber seed indoors about 3 weeks before you plan to transplant them in the ground. They like bottom heat of about 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees centigrade. If you don't have a heat mat, put the seed flat on top of the refrigerator or perch a few on top of the water heater. Now, the second question raised here is choosing and preparing a planting site. So, select a site with full sun. Cucumbers need warmth and lot of sunlight. Cucumber require fertile soil, mix in compost and or aged mature before planting to a depth of 2 inches and work into the soil 6 to 8 inches deep. Make sure that soil is moist and well drained, not soggy and compacted also. The next important point is soil should be neutral or slightly acidic. Slightly acidic means with a pH of around 6.5 to 7. And the next point is improve clay soil by adding organic matter, improve dense, heavy soil by adding peat, compost or rotted manure. Get a soil test if you are unsure of your soil type. Contact your local country cooperative extension basically. So light, sandy soils and preferred for northern gardens as they warm quickly in the spring. See our guide to soil amendments. The next important question raised here is how to plant cucumbers. Plant seeds 1 inch deep and about 2 to 3 feet apart in a row depending on the variety. See seed packet for details. For vines, trains on a trellis, space plants 1 foot apart. Cucumber can also be planted in hills that are spaced 1 to 2 feet apart. Within 2 to 3 seeds planted in each mounted. One plant reach 4 inches the height, thin them to plant per mold. If you are live in a cooler climate, you can help warm the soil by covering the hill or row with black plastic. After planting, mulch around the area with a straw, chopped leaves or another organic mulch to keep pests at bay. And also keep bush type off the ground to avoid disease. A trellis is a good idea if you want the vine to climb or if you have limited space. Drizzling also protect the fruit from damage from laying on the moist ground. And see how to build a trellis and support for vining vegetables. Cover freshly planted cucumber seeds with a netting or a berry basket if you have pests. This will keep them from digging out the seeds. So check out the next is how to grow cucumbers. The most important question raised here is how we can grow cucumbers. The main care requirement for cucumber is water, consistent watering. They need at least 1 inch of water per week or more if temperature are sky high. Put your finger in the soil and will it is dry paste. Past the first joint of your finger, it is time to water. Inconsistent watering leads to bitter tasting fruit. The second important point is water slowly in the morning or early afternoon. Avoiding the leaves so that you don't encourage leaf diseases. They can ruin the plant. If possible, water your cucumber with a soaker hose or drip irrigation to keep the foliage and dry. Mulch to hold in soil moisture. When a seedling emerges, begin to water frequently and increase to a gallon per week after fruit formation starts. So from there basically two types of blossoms appear here, that is pistillate or stimulate. These are the male and female growing stages. So little or not fruit. If your cucumber plant do not set fruit, it's not usually a disease. There is a problem of a pollination issues. The first flower were all male. Both female and male flowers must be blooming at the same stage or at the same time. This may not happen early in the plant's life, so be patient. Female flowers are the only ones with a small cucumber shaped swelling at the base that will become the fruit. The second important point here is lack of fruit may also be due to poor pollination by bees, especially due to rain or cold temperature or insecticides. To rest assured, you could always hand pollinate. Dip a Q-tip in the male pollen and transfer it to the center of the female flower. Remember, gynoecious hybrids require companion pollinator plants. So the important point here is squash bugs may attack seedlings. Aphids are always nuisance for any vegetable plant by easily managed. Powdery mildew can be a problem if the leaves get water at the soil level. Apply fungicides at the first sign of its presence. Cucumber beetles may attack the vines and can cause diseases. So the last and the important point is harvesting or storage. So how to the basic question raised here is how to harvest cucumbers. So don't let cucumbers get too large or they will taste bitter. At peak harvesting time, you should be pickling cucumbers every couple of days. They will grow quickly. So here are some points. Harvest regular slicing cucumbers when they about 6 to 8 inches long. Slicing varieties. Harvest dills at 4 to 6 inches long and pickling cucumber at 2 inch long. The largest bulbous cucumber can be of 10 inches long and some types are even larger. Cucumber are best picked before their seeds become hard and are eaten when immature. Do not let them get yellow. A cucumber is of highest quality when it is uniformly green, firm and crispy. Any cucumber left on the vine too long and will get to skins and lower plant productivity. So how to pick? Using a knife of clippers, cut the stem above the fruit. Pulling the fruit may damage the vine. Keep them picked. If you don't, as plants mature, they will stop producing. So the next important question raised here is how to store cucumber. Cucumber are over 90% water. Store wrapped tightly in plastic wrap to retain moisture. They will keep for a week to 10 days when stored properly in the refrigerator. Recommended varieties are Bowpless Bush Hybrid is a popular bush form of cucumber. Boston Pickling is our favorite heirloom variety bred especially for pickling. We also recommended disease resistant Sassy or Calypso for easily yields. Long thin Parisian pickling is great for making Harkins or cornicons. Lemon cucumber is a small cucumber many folks find reliable. So plant cucumber, while you are wearing your basically wit or wisdoms, I can give you some wit and wisdoms here. There are some basic recipes I can discuss here is Kohasar style dill pickles, chilled cucumber soup, Castilian style cucumber and tomato salad, sweet refrigerated pickles. So I can close here is in this I will tell you about some growing cucumbers, cucumber botanical description, its plant type, sun exposure, soil type, soil pH, bloom time, flower color, hardiness zone, and their special features. So botanical name is Cucumis sativus, plant type is vegetable, sun exposure is full sun, soil type is loamy, soil pH slightly acidic to neutral, bloom time summer, and flower color yellow, hardiness zones 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, and I already discussed there some special features. Thank you.